Hey guys, this side from 24 by 7 everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video and this time it's on Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 related to a new custom ROM that is Ion OS with the version 2.2.b. So basically this particular video is related to the installation part and some first look. So before we jump into the installation part or first look, I would really want to tell you that this is the best custom ROM with the Android 10 that I have tested yet till now. Earlier I have tested a lot like Pixel Experience, then Havoc OS and so on. So this is really a butter smooth. So we'll surely discuss like we will be going to create our part 2 where we will be discussing review, part 3 where we'll be doing feature, and we'll try our level best to create part 4 where we'll be showing you the overall customization using the ionizer itself. So basically this particular custom ROM is based on Android 10. Let me confirm you that as well. Voila. So basically Android 10. Apart to this, it is having a security patch level of 5th December 2019, which is also very good because its build number is 28th December 2019. So according to that, developer has patched this particular ROM with the 5th December 2019 security patch. Apart to this kernel version Stardust with the version 4.4.207, and apart to this we have like numerous things numerous settings and so on. Like in ionizer we have bunch of setting you can play with that. We will be creating our part 4 video on this. A part of this you have styles and wallpaper, you can change this. A part of this numerous quick settings which all are working, and we will be discussing thoroughly in the review part 2. Now let's jump into the installation part. For that I will be rebooting to the recovery part. So phone is just restarted to boot into the recovery mode. Once we move to the installation part, there are a few things which needs to be discussed. For that I have already created a dedicated article on my official blog. The URL for the same will be provided to you in the description below. Like the ROM developer or maintainer is Pranav KPI. We are really thankful to him for providing such a wonderful ROM for us. Then these are few links like Ion iOS 2.2.b ROM. There is no need of flashing GApps and Magics, Google Camera. Apart to this, few prerequisite like backup your data, charge your phone battery at least 50% or more, but I recommend 80%. Apart to this, latest firmware needed is 060. So these are the videos for the same if you haven't installed yet. Apart to this, your bootloader should be unlocked, then TWRP custom recovery should be installed. Finally, the installation where we will be formatting data, wiping cache, delving data, and system vendor partition is optional. Apart to this, reboot your phone and wait for 10 to 15 minutes. If it is taking more than that, then press on the power button to reboot it again, and afterward it will resolve that problem. This is just a precautionary note. This is not having any bug in this ROM. Apart to this, last but not least, finally enjoy the ROM on your phone. Now let's move to the TWRP recovery mode. So according to our blog, we have mentioned that firstly we have to wipe data where we will be doing formatting data. So just press yes to confirm it, and in the meantime it will do its magic and it will format everything. So side to that, you have to do one advanced wipe where you have to flash few partition like Dalvik, cache, data, system. Vendor is optional, so you can try. So afterward, just swipe to wipe it, and in the meantime, it will all do this as well. Afterward, we are good to go with the installation part. So for that, we will be clicking on install, and afterward we'll be selecting storage. So by default it is internal, so at my case I'm using micro SD card, so I've just selected this, and afterward I'll be moving to the folder or root where I have kept. So we need that particular Ion OS. So this is the file. I'm just going to select it, and afterward I'm just swipe to confirm flash. So basically this particular ROM will take some time to install, and afterward we'll move to the next part. Voila. So finally the installation process has completed. Now it has given us two options. One is reboot system and another is wipe cache Dalvik. So I always recommend to do this part before like whenever you are installing anything on TWRP. Afterward we are good to go with the reboot system. Now it will take some time to boot into the Ion OS logo and so on, I would say. So just wait till then. Voila. So finally we have been booted to the Ion OS. So basically this is just a Google image, or I would say the Android 10 image. So they have just kept it very simple rather than creating their own custom logo and so on. So it will take some time to proceed with the phone setup process. So let's wait till then. So finally, the phone setup process has been started. So according to mobile sim, it has detected that it is India. So English India afterward. Let's move. I can skip down this particular process, but it always help for the users who haven't done this part in the past. So it will surely help them. So let me try to do it as soon as I can. So here I'll be just selecting the Wi-Fi connection and trying to enter the credential. So finally, the credential has been entered. Now it is doing some background check in terms of Google Play services. If there will be any pending update, it will install in the background and afterward move to the next screen. Afterward, it has just prompted us, do you want to copy data or start fresh? I'll always do start fresh for the video purposes. So just moving in. Again, it is checking for the update. Now it is because basically whenever you flash any custom ROM, it is a part of factory reset, or I would say hard reset. And it usually asks for the previous pin. In case you don't know or you forgot, you have to remind the last logged in Gmail ID, or I would say Google account for the same. At this moment, I'm just skipping this part because I've already able to successfully verified my PIN and I'm able to proceed further. So fingerprint and PIN, I'm just entering it. Its fingerprint sensor is so good, like I can scale it on the basis of 85 to 90 on a scale of 0 to 100. So all in all, I'm again skipping it because we will be touching this in the review part and features too. And by default, this is a gesture based. So just wait till the time it will log in us to the home screen. Voila. So by default, it is being shipped with the gesture. So let's say if I'll move to here, sorry, let me move to the setting sections. And if I'll go anywhere else, then I just have to do this way. Afterward, I'll be moving back. So just for the confirmation part, let's move to the about section. And here Android 10 version. Voila. So Android 10, 5th December 2019, which we have just discussed in the initial part, and build number. So apart of this, let me verify one more thing related to the Ion OS. So all in all, this is Ion OS with version 2.2.b. So apart of this, we mentioned you that we will be showing you first look. So this is like navigation bar, and this is the I would say quick settings and so on. So there are numerous of settings that you can play with that. And aside to that, it shipped with the default Google camera, so which is I think 3 or 4. So it's very basic. So we will be as in the like when we were discussing that article on our official blog, we have already provided you the Gcam. We will be reviewing that Gcam in our review part as well. So stay tuned till then as well. And a part to this, there are numerous things which we will be covering in the part second and part third, and most probably in part four as well. So this was all from our side in terms of part 1 installation for this particular custom ROM. In the part 2 we'll be doing review. In part 3 we'll be doing feature set, and most probably if I'll get chance I'll surely create part 4 where we'll be giving you all the customization for this particular ROM. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. And a part of this, please subscribe to our channel because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.